Alright, so what is this video for?
It's for making bread.
And do you like this bread?
Yes. You can put this little container on this and press it, and press this to make it go to 0. Doing that, I'm a great job.
Okay, you can in our video?
Okay.
Alright, let's do it.
Then you pour this into it until it says 25. No. Yeah, it's 24, but it's close enough. Now you pour 7 grams of yeast into it. 6.
Ah, it's close enough.
Yeah, it's close. This is only 6, but it's close enough. First, you take your water and then you can pour it into one of these if you have one, or one of those. Or you can do this by hand in a container. You pour the water in. Then you pour this in. It's sugar and yeast. Okay, hold it. You know. Okay. Can I never hold the water again? Cause it burns my hands. So now we cut the butter. Else, do you want to cut it? Cut it right where that line is. Cut the butter. $30 grams. And now we put it in here. Let's measure it.
Wow.
36. It's close enough, so we're gonna dump it in here.
Yeah.
Do we need another butter? We're gonna cut. Do we need another? I'm going to cut one more. Now you have to put 600 grams of flour into here. Make sure the yeast is bubbling up.
Oh God, guys.
Or
Don't. Oh, all right.
or that means the yeast is dead.
What?
Our yeast is dead.
Help, Ellie!
As you can see, Ellis is just trying to blow off the flour that we did. I'm on to dough mode.
Yep.
Press it. Press Ellie. Okay. Now you can watch if you had this. It's very cool. Yeah. The dough and. Did you forget something? To turn it into a dough. So we just added salt because we forgot to add it, and now I can see that it's getting wetter because all the stuff underneath it is getting pushed up. Don't go for that. So you can see it's bubbling a little from those little cracks. And a crack, so they see a crack. It might take a while. An animal or fox or chicken. and it'll look like it's spinning, but it's just going up and down, and it's making it look like it's spinning. And you see a crack again. Yeah, and you might see some of the stuff underneath. And the finger will make Cracky dead. You let it rise for 1 hour. Can I? 8 minutes.
Try again.
1 hour. 8 minutes.
Wait.
Let it proof and rise for 1 hour. It was 1. You have to let it rise for 1 hour. Try again.
Take 72. Action.
You have to let it rise for 1 hour and try again.
All right. Take 500.
500. Ellis. So now you have to let it rise for 1 hour. 100. Try again. Ellis, 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
Take 624.
24 minutes. Try again. 8 minutes. 5 Ellis. 8, 9. Okay, Papa. You have to let it rise for 1 hour and 8 minutes.
Sounds good.
So now while we're waiting for the dough, we take a pinch of this flour and spread it around. Now that the dough is ready, my dad took it out, and now we're gonna pour it in the tray. Pour it onto. It's so gooey. You sure? It's not gooey. It might spread out. The next step is to flatten it out. Keep flattening it after you have it in tilt. It might be a little bit sticky if you use a lot of wire. Spread it out, then roll it up, and then you just tuck both sides in, then put it in your pan.
It's 30 minutes.
We'll let it cook for a second time for 30 minutes.
We'll sleep it for a second time for 30 minutes.
Now you have to get your bread knife and start cutting it. Yeah, and it's really puffy on the inside. So now you can spread some butter or whatever you like on your bread and eat it.
Is it still warm?
Yeah. It's still warm.
Minutes.
Okay, 8 minutes.
After Clementine's is 1 hour.
Yeah. Ellis, be quiet. 1 minute.
Say